Hey guys, Guy Level here, and today I'm going to be sharing 10 tips for using Streamlabs OBS. Now, if you don't know much about Streamlabs OBS yet, it's basically the best streaming program. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, on YouTube, on Mixer, on Facebook, it covers it all. Now, you will get the most out of this software by streaming on Twitch or on YouTube gaming, but it still has so many options. If you want to download it, there will be a link in the description, but without further ado, let's start with the tips. Tip number 1, you can hide your viewer count by simply clicking on it. That way, your attitude won't be affected by how many people are currently watching. Tip number 2, when part of your overlay requires multiple sources, like a camera overlay that has the overlay, the camera source, your name, most recent follow, most recent subs, etc., you can either create a group by holding shift and selecting all the sources, then clicking on the group icon. But a more convenient way is to put them all in a scene and importing the scene. You can now move, resize, and even add filters to it. Number 3, you can add global transitions for every time you switch scenes. You can also add specific scene-to-scene transitions. Number 4, you can use the sponsor banner feature as a social media pop-up. Just create images for each social media and upload them to your Streamlabs account. Numero 5. You can create overlays from scratch within Slobs without using any editing software. Simply combine image sources, media sources, and mostly color sources to get your stream looking fresh. Numero 6. You can display the chat on the left side of the screen if you're like me and only use one monitor. Go to Settings, Appearance, and click Show the Live Dock on the left side. Number 7. You can get specific alerts for community gifting. They will play when someone gifts more than one sub at once in your channel. Number 8. If you don't want to use a full overlay theme from the Library tab, you can get specific widgets such as donation goals, bid boss, or cheer cups. Number 9. You can manage giveaways in the Live tab, including merch giveaways. Streamlabs has a great tutorial on it. Link will be in the description. And number 10, Streamlabs automatically backs up your imported media, overlays, videos, images, etc. to a cloud, so you can stream with your normal setup on any computer. But if you have slow internet like I do and don't want to upload anything while you're trying to stream, you can disable that option in Settings, Scene Collection, and just click Do Not Back Up My Media Files in the Cloud. And that was 10 tips for using Streamlabs OBS. Now, I know you probably have a ton of questions right now, but note that I have a bunch of tutorials that are step-by-step tutorials on most of the things we talked about in this list when it comes to transitions, when it comes to animated overlays, etc. So go to my channel and look around. There is a ton of step-by-step tutorial. Now, with that being said, if you're using another program or you haven't started streaming yet, consider downloading Streamlabs OBS, not only because it's the best, but if you click and install from the link in the description right now, I will get a little bit of money and charity will get a little bit of money. So consider it, knowing that downloading it for you is completely free. And of course, you can follow me on social media. It's gonna appear here. I recently created some merch using Streamlabs, and I've ordered the merch just to test the quality before I advertise it. So there will be an update video on that very soon, maybe an unboxing to actually see what Streamlabs merch look like and feel like, and if the quality is good. So keep an eye out for that. Obviously, if you're new, please click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you have some tips you would like to share, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear about them so we can all share our tips. But that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Get level out.